Angel Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here today to draw my winner for the Christmas in July YouTube hop hosted by Miss Sandy Nagel, who is Decorate Your Life, and Miss Jenny Petro, who is Crafts Creations. And this is the kit that y'all will win. From the drawing. And if y'all return to Crafts Creations, on her channel she will do the grand prize drawing. Okay, so this is the first page. Here's the second page. Next one. You're going to win this entire kit here. Okay, this is the last page. So, and okay, I have all of the names, as y'all can see right here, all listed here. Every single person. Now, here's my wheel. Okay, right here. Now, I'm going to spin it, and the name that pops up is my winner. Here we go. Good luck, everyone. And the winner is CraftyJoy9. If you can please email me, I will put my email in the description box below and title it, I am the winner of the Christmas YouTube hop, Christmas in July YouTube hop drawing. And I will get the information. I will need your email address, your YouTube name, so I can get your prize out to you, okay? Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I go live, when I do a premiere, or when I upload new content. And please do check out everyone else's winners. And I will have them all listed down below. I will have the design team's names and YouTube channels listed down below in the description box. So please be safe, be kind, be crafty, be blessed, be positive, be safe, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.